Okay guys, this is a true ice cream dipping cabinet. 10-year-old, true manufacturing. Hey world, how you doing? I just got done doing a little reworking on cleaning this thing up. Gonna replace the condenser fan motor tomorrow. I ran the serial number on this thing. This thing is 10 years plus. It's a 2007. So this is February 2018. So I recommended to the customer, hey, let's change this condenser fan motor. It's 10 years old. Has a PM measure. He liked it. He's like, he's all over it. He's like, yep, do it. 10 years. You know, you don't want to lose a compressor. So that's a good way, guys, to upsell. Get yourself a little cash for you, your company. You know, wintertime work, whatever. So run the serial numbers on all your trues, and if they're 10 years old, place your condenser fan motor, sell that, and that's a win-win. That's a good thing you're doing for yourself and your customer. So anyways, set the dial, put a little black arrow at the bottom where the 0 is, and the biggest thing I did, in True's infinite wisdom, this is what the intake grill area looks like before. So this is a before picture. Let's check this out. This thing didn't have a hole for the condenser. I had to cut a freaking hole. It had like a grill, but you couldn't get to the condenser to clean it. So what I did is I pulled the unit out, because I had to pull it out anyhow, because the thing for the base broke loose. The condenser broke loose off of the screws fell out, because they put the screws in upside down. All the screws fell out, and the condenser got wobbly and hit the condenser fan blade. So what I'm going to do is I cut the hole so that it would fit one of these covers. So one of these covers, I'm going to order 2 of these covers, because this is broken, this cover. So I'm going to order 2 covers, 2 small covers, and put one on the front, and order a cover for the side here, because this thing got wasted, and put a new cover on the front here so the guys can clean the condensers. I don't know how they've been keeping this clean, but they actually haven't been doing too bad at a job when not being able to get to it, because it just had a grill. They've probably just been taking the CO2 and blowing the shit out of it from this side, and that's been working for them. But it was a dusty mess in here, full of big old hairballs everywhere. So anyways, let's sanitize this thing up a little bit. Anyways, all right, I'm out of here. Done for the day. Back tomorrow. Do the condenser fan motor tomorrow. I got other stuff to do too. All right. So win-win situation. Sell those condenser fan motors, man. Take her easy. Click like on the video. Subscribe. All right. Thanks. Bye. It's just some miscellaneous pictures. This is the hole that I cut, and temperature control that didn't have any markings on it, so I put a marking on the bottom of it, and the hole with the condenser back in it. And this is the saw blade that I used, the Lennox model 424R blade, small, like a little 3-inch blade. I just put it in the video just in case anybody wanted to know a good blade. All right, thanks for watching, and click like on the video and subscribe. Thanks, bye.